Guys, what's the one shirt you need for this fall season that's gonna soften up your suits but spartan up your sweaters? Watch to find out. Getting into fall, because we definitely did notice the chill in the air today, I wanna share with you two of my favorite items right now for this time frame. Because I've realized that if we dress for the winter, it's not that bad. But since we've had such a mild fall, we're not wearing the proper coats, we're not wearing the proper sweaters, we're not wearing proper anything. And then when it does get cold like this, we all get sick. So one of the things that I absolutely love right now is the soft flannel shirts that we have in from Sand. So what it is, it's a cotton shirt, but it does have a little bit of a brush finish to it. So it's a little bit softer than your regular cotton shirt, and it's really gonna have a nice cozy effect when you're wearing it. I like to say it's like getting a warm hug every time you wear these flannelette shirts. So we have it in the blue color, and we have it in the beige color as well. Why these two colors are so important is if you're gonna wear this underneath your blazer, it just helps soften up your blazer so you don't look so formal or so stiff. So I would put this underneath the blazer that you're wearing, or even underneath one of your suits. And again, it just softens it up so you don't look so stark and so corporate looking. If you are going back to work and you don't really want to wear your true, suit, shirt, and tie because that's a little too much, soften it up with a flannel shirt. Again, you'll feel nice and cozy when you're wearing it. It just softens the look of what you're wearing. I also love the flannel shirts layered underneath a sweater. So if you're doing that layering look, quarter zips are great because they do allow for a little bit of the shirt to show through. And I find sometimes a crew neck looks a little too casual, especially if you're wearing it to work. So if you're wearing this style of sweater to work, or even a V-neck and you want to be more presentable and more businesslike, always wear it over top of a collared shirt. But again, the flannel collared shirt just gives you that softness and that comfort. Again, like a warm hug every time you wear it. Not as stark as a white shirt, not as stark as a blue shirt, but still gives you that respect because it is a collared shirt, and you don't need to wear this with a tie. But great on its own, great layered under a sweater, or great layered underneath a sport coat or a suit. If you like this video and you want more styling tips, subscribe here.